Hi, hello, how are you friends? Welcome to MDS Coaching Institute Koratla. I am your coach Mohammad Sohe. So friends, in this video we are discussing about the topic the complete list of newspapers and journals during British India. So let's see the first one. Name of the paper or journal. The first one is Bengal Gazette. In 1780 it was published in Calcutta and its founder was James Augustus Hickey, J.A. Hickey. And Bengal Gazette was the first newspaper to be printed in India. Next, second one, Sambat Kaumudi. This is a weekly newspaper in Bengali and it was published in the year 1821 and its founder was Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Third one, Mirat ul Akbar, the first journal in Persian language. It was published in 1822 in Calcutta and its founder was also Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Next question, fourth one, Banga Duta, a weekly in 4 languages. Banga Duta is a newspaper. It was published in 4 languages: English, Bengali, Persian, and Hindi. It was published first in 1822 in Calcutta and its founder was Rajaram Mohan Rai and Dwarakanath Tagore. These two people founded the newspaper Banga Duta. Next, fifth, Bombay Times. Bombay Times was a newspaper founded in 1838 in Bombay and it was founded by Robert Knight and Thomas Bennett. From 1861, the name of title of this newspaper was changed from Bombay Times to the Times of India. At present also the newspaper is a very popular in India, that is the Times of India. In previous it is known as Bombay Times. So sixth one, Rast Goftar. Rast Goftar, a Gujarati fortnightly, a Gujarati newspaper published in 1851 by Dadabhai Naroji. Dadabhai Naroji. Next, seventh one, Hindu Patriot. Hindu Patriot, a newspaper was published in 1853 in Calcutta and it was founded by Girish Chandra Ghosh. Girish Chandra Ghosh. Next, eighth one, Som Prakasha. Som Prakasha is a newspaper published in 1858 in Calcutta and its founder was Dwaraganath and Vidya Bhushan. Dwaraganath and Vidya Bhushan. Ninth one, Indian Mirror. Indian Mirror is a newspaper published in 1862 in Calcutta and it was founded by Devendranath Tagore and N. N. Sen. Tenth one, Bengali. Bengali. This and Amrit Bazar Patrika, the first vernacular papers. So here's the important question is present. The vernacular papers are the Amrit Bazar Patrika and Bengali. These two papers are known as the vernacular papers and it was the first vernacular papers, these two. So this Bengali newspaper was published in 1862 in Calcutta and its founder was Girish Chandra Ghosh and in 1879 it was taken over by S.N. Banerjee. Next, 11th one, National Paper. National Paper, it was published in 1865 in Calcutta and its founder was Devendranath Tagore. Next, 12th one, Amrit Bazar Patrika. As we have told in the 11th one, Amrit Bazar Patrika and this Bengali newspaper are the first vernacular papers. So Amrit Bazar Patrika is a Bengali in the beginning and later on English daily. It was first published in Bengali only, and later it also started publishing in English also. So it was published in 1868 in Jessore district, and its founder was Sisir Kumar Ghosh and Motilal Ghosh. 13th one, Banga Darshana. Banga Darshana is a newspaper published in 1873 in Calcutta, and its founder was Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. 14th one, The Statesman. The Statesman is a newspaper published in 1875 in Calcutta, and its founder was Robert Knight. 15th one, The Hindu. The Hindu, the newspaper published in 1878 in Madras. Its founder was G.S. Iyer, Veera Raghavachari, and Subbarao Pandit. These three members founded the newspaper The Hindu, and it's also a famous newspaper in now current India. Next one, 16th one, The Tribune. The Tribune is a newspaper published in 1881 in Lahore, and it was founded by Dayal Singh Majita. Dayal Singh Majita. 17th one, Sudharak. Sudharak was a newspaper founded by Gopal Ganesh Agarkar. Gopal Ganesh Agarkar. 18th one, Hindustani and Advocate. Hindustani and Advocate, a newspaper founded by G.P. Verma. G.P. Verma. 19th one, Kesari. Kesari is a famous newspaper at that time, British India time. It was published in Marathi, Daily, and Maharashtra, and in weekly English. Daily Marathi and weekly English. It was published in 1881 in Bombay state, and it was founded by Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Chiplunkar, and Agarkar. These three members founded the Kesari newspaper. Next one, 20th one, Swadeshamitran. Swadeshamitran was a newspaper founded by G.S. Iyer in Madras state. So friends, today we here conclude our topic. So these are the most and the major important practice bits of newspaper and its founders and editors, which can be asked in the group exams, center, state level, in every UPSC exams. From this topic, minimum 2 or 3 questions may be asked, like editors or founders, or when it was founded, where it was founded, first published, last published. So very important newspapers. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubts, please tell us in the comment section box. And if you want a topic on a particular subject, please contact us through comment section box. In tomorrow's video, next video, I will teach you the continuation part of these newspapers and its founders and editors practice bits. Thank you all. Be home, be safe.